So, should you invest for the ROI or capital appreciation? Now, some investors might be conflicted when it comes to real estate investing, but it all depends with, the kind of budget that you're working with and the kind of strategy that you want to do. Now, if you have a budget, say from 1 million to 5 million, you're definitely going to do ROI by default. And I would suggest focus on unique projects with really good developers that offer the maximum ROI if you have a budget from 1 million to 5 million. Okay? Because that's the only thing that you can do is have maximum cash flow. All right? But if you have a budget right above 5 million, that's when you start playing in between, right? From a budget of 5 to 10 or just below 10 million, then you're starting to look at ROI and capital appreciation, all right? I would tend definitely to lean more towards the capital appreciation because that's where the big bucks are, right? So look at capital appreciation as the final boss of investment, right? And when you have a budget of, say, above 10 million moving forward, just forget about ROI and focus solely on capital appreciation, okay? Capital growth, because that's where the big money is. And the reason why I have this perspective is if you invest in a very unique property, of course, and your property goes up in value 100% in 5 years, which is very much possible to do in Dubai, by the way. Just look at Imar South. Investors there have already done 100%, at least most of them have. And you take a look at the ROI, for example, you're making 100% in 5 years. If you were to put that in terms of rental, it will take you more just to generate the same, all right? Because you're going to get 50% of the value in just 5 years if you're probably going to do at 10% ROI, which is considered to be very good. So if you're definitely going to invest in Dubai and you have a strategy for investment, I would say capital appreciation is definitely the way to go. Hold on to important and great projects because this also allows you to release the equity from your project and invest in more projects and continue that strategy that way, and that allows you to have multiple sources of income. So if you're in Dubai, this is the best moment to position yourself for capital growth. I'm sure most of you are very, very interested in the ROI. You come here because of the ROI and taxes, but focus on capital growth because this moment is a fleeting moment, okay? And we probably won't have this kind of market when the overall market appreciates and goes higher and higher and higher. So we're going to have to pay more in the future. All right. So at this very moment, focus on capital growth and capital appreciation.